Here's the C6 to take a look at. 2008 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe Z06. We got a fixed roof coupe or hardtop coupe. Of course, the Z06 underneath the hood, 7-liter 427. It's that LS7 engine. 505 horsepower, 470 pound-feet of torque. Of course, all the nice equipment, power steering, brakes, AC blows cold. Take a look at the front fascia on this car. This car is extremely clean. It's a 2-owner car, a little over 9,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, no accidents, no paint work. Well taken care of. Check out the underside pictures, and I'll tell you where to see those in a little bit. It's as clean on the bottom as it is the top. Those underside pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us to 507-386-1726. Car has definitely not been abused. Well taken care of. Of course, the Z06 wheels, 18s in the front, 19s in the rear. Victory red with black interior. Of course, we have the wider rear fenders, wider front fascia, the actual cold air scoop that is integrated into the intake system. But just take a look up and down the sides of this beauty. It's not full of nicks, dings, scratches, abuse, anything like that. Interior also just as nice as the exterior. Of course, a 6-speed manual transmission. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You'll be able to see pictures of the cargo area, and it does have the privacy cover installed in there. Cargo net is in the back. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And like I said, take a look at the underside of this car, the engine bay. It is extremely clean. One of the things you see a lot on these is if they're driven on much for gravel, any sort of roads with much for stones or pebbles, they will get caught down in here because they flip up and get down in this area. You see it a lot on this body style. This one, nothing. Again, just everywhere where you look on this car, it is extremely clean and in very nice shape. You can tell it's well taken care of. Take a look at the driver's side here. Again, free of nicks, dings, scratches. The other thing, it appears everything is stock on it. So we're looking for a nice stock, low mile Z06. Definitely take a closer look at this one. All right, interior door panels, of course, Bose system, power windows, power locks, memory seating, power seats, heated seats, of course, leather. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Let you hear it run. We'll check out the exact miles. Heads-up display, of course. See that. Navigation system, the radio, dash, all in very nice shape. Until it was stored indoors. There's your miles, 9,047 miles. No warning indicators, no check engine lights, anything like that. Just the seatbelt light that is flashing since I don't have the seatbelt on. All gauges working correctly. Everything checks out in this car. All right. Slip around to the back seat. Hear it when these are not under throttle. It's got a little rumble to them. Nothing over the top, but when you get on them and you unlock that performance, that LS7, you'll have a nice throaty exhaust note. You can also see the RPO codes. I do have a picture of that in the still pictures. And but first, before I tell you where to check those out one more time, let's check out this engine bay. I want to show you how clean that is also.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here it is. Look at that. Very, very clean and tidy underneath here. And smooth. Sounds just the way it should. Again, what, 505 horse? Powerful engine, especially in this car. Great handling. Fun car to drive. And in great shape. Once again, check out those still pictures. Top to bottom, inside and out. 2008 Chevrolet Z06 Corvette, under 10,000 miles, just a little over 9,000. Clean Carfax, 2 owner. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description, so it'll take you right there. And of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, and we can sure assist with transportation. Look forward to hearing from you on this one.